Hi, I'm Keegan. I'm a new home consultant at our Bowling Green office. I'm going to talk to you today about one of my favorite floor plans, the Olivia. It's 2,786 square feet. It's a 2-story with owner's retreat on the first floor, 3 bedrooms. Some of the things I like the most about it are the one I just mentioned. It has an owner's retreat on the first floor, and it's super customizable. It can be anywhere from that 3-bedroom, and I've also seen customers build it as a 5-bedroom home. Some of the other things I like about it are the 2-story great room, and then some of the optional bathroom layouts for it, as well as the grand kitchen option and media room option.